Our buddies at Oreo. We like to talk about Oreos here. Custom Oreos with your name on them and all that kind of stuff. Well, they're coming out with a line of frozen treats. National Oreo Day was last Monday, March 6th. So they're releasing a line of Oreo frozen stuff, like ice cream sandwiches and that kind of thing. So they are giving away freezers that are all decked out. These freezers are pretty slick, and they look like retail freezers you would fit inside a convenience store, like next to the cash register. They're they've got a glass door, they've got lights, they've got decoration on all the sides, even the back, I think, and it's even got a lock down here to keep your roommates or your wife out of it or whatever, your boyfriend or your husband or whoever's in your house stealing your stuff. All you have to do to get this is on Friday, March 10th, which is by the time this thing shows, it'll be tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. You can log on and pick one up. I think they're just giving them away. 84 pounds. It's 22 by 20 by 20. It's fantastic. So if you're into Oreos and if you're into frozen stuff, and I'm into both, this might be something you need to take advantage of.